Hey YouTubers, good morning, Robb. Guys, we've got a great video today. You know, I've been making videos for 16 years, over 1,200 videos, and I love making videos nobody else has made before. We're making a cool chest mount today. For anybody who has an action camera, you can basically make it for nothing. You just take a rag, cut it a little rectangle, make a little tube, and attach it to your shirt with some hot glue. You're going to make a little sleeve like for your selfie stick to slide into, and the camera is going to be attached to the inside of your shirt. It's going to be snug, secure, and the cool thing is hardly anybody's going to know you have a chest mount on because it's invisible. You only see the camera at the top of your shirt. So it's not like where you wear a regular chest mount and people can tell you have it on from half a mile away. Nobody's going to know you have a chest mount on, and it's going to be hard for them to see the camera. But it's also cool if you're fishing or something and you need a chest mount and you don't have one. It's a simple way to make a chest mount that's secure, snug. It's basically free. You just need a glue gun and a rag and a selfie stick. Most people have those. So I haven't seen anybody else do this on YouTube, and it's a really cool project. Anybody can make. You know, it's very, very simple. It doesn't get much simpler than this, and it works fairly decent. Well, we can test out the wind. There's a nice wind blowing around. Because it's close to my shirt and body, maybe it'll block some of the wind. I was thinking I could hold my phone up to my ear and talk and pretend I'm on my phone and be recording at the same time, so people wouldn't think I was an idiot recording. They would just think I was an idiot talking on my phone. One good thing is it gives you both your hands free. Is that good English? It gives you both your hands free? Oh man, it's a beautiful day. And a nice wind from the north, freezing my back. It looks like it's holding it pretty steady. Which is going to be cool if it does. It's a little bit tricky to put in the sleeve, but once you get it in there, it's solid. You could also run a piece of string to the end of it and attach a clip. It's like attached to your belt or something, so it would be extra secure, so it wouldn't pop off if you were upside down somewhere. Like people attach little clips to their hats when they're out fishing so the hats don't blow off. The nice thing about it, you're not wearing that big bunch of gear on your chest. I was thinking about getting some black tape and putting over the Insta 360 logo on the camera because it's red and it makes the camera more visible. Okay, what do you think? Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. We're recording for quality assurance purposes only.